Hey, what's up? My name's Davey, and I'm going to show you a couple of tips on how to get your beats to groove nicely together. Over here, I've got a real basic hip-hop groove. Have a listen to this. Okay, so basically all of the tracks are separated onto their own tracks. I've got the kick on one, clap, and then hi-hats on the other. Now, where this comes into play with the track delay and how you can use this to your advantage is if you click on the little letter D on the bottom left here, if it's not already clicked, you'll notice all of these pop up and it gives you like a millisecond time. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the clap early. So if you listen to the groove again just by itself, it sounds pretty straight. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it, let's say 30 milliseconds early and see what happens. So it's shuffled it, it's slid the whole thing to the left. So it's creating a bit of urgency in a sense. And then what I can do is I can do the opposite for the hi-hat. If I put that 30 or more to the right, you'll see now it starts feeling really sort of sluggish. So all you're doing is sliding effectively the individual tracks off each other slightly. And I can even go as far as maybe 60 milliseconds with the hi-hats. Let's see what happens. What happens if I go earlier with the clap? It almost sounds like a two-step beat. So as you can see, you can end up going too far, but that's the trick. Pull it one way too far so that then you can hear exactly what's going wrong and then nudge it back until you find the sweet spot. I hope you found this quick tip helpful. If you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe for more. Peace!